हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू द चैप्टर गणेश जी एंड हिज माउंट, यानी कि उनका पहाड़. इंद्रा had organized a great banquet in the heaven. Indra, that is Indra. Okay, there came many great sages, gods, and goddesses. In the general confusion, a musician who was in a hurry slammed into the great sage Vamdev. The sage stepped back, eyes blazing with anger. For this insult, you shall turn into a lowly rat, he cursed. श्राप दे दिया भाई. एक साधु थे वामदेव, उनको धक्का लग गया एक म्यूजिशियन के द्वारा, तो उन्हें श्राप दे दिया चूहा बन जाओ. द हेवनली म्यूजिशियन बिगेन टू ट्रेम्बल. ओ महात्मा, नो, आई एम सो सॉरी, whimpered the poor fellow. माफ कर दो. Oh, please forgive me, great one, the musician had erupted before the sage. The anger of the sage died as swiftly as it had erupted. In fact, he looked a bit sorry. लगा कि चलो भाई, I can't take the curse back, but I can change it a bit. A rat you will be, but instead of a fever rat, you shall be rat in the mighty Parshuram's ashram, he declared. Parshuram के आश्रम में रहोगे तुम. Get the first for any rat, and it will lead to the other great things, the sage explained. As the words ended, musician vanished, and in his place, crouching on the crystal floor, was a sleek brown rat with a twitch of his tail. He scrambled out of the great hall and went straight to the hermitage. He quickly found a hole and then set about making himself at home. Once settled like all rats, he became a proper sense. He gnawed at the roots, the orchard, picked up claws, lion. जैसे चूहे खाते वैसे ही सब चबाने लग गया वो सब, है ना? But he kept his best efforts for the kitchen. He bored holes in the rice racks, stewed vegetables, सब खा रहा चबा रहा. Piece of the hermitage was shattered, सब बिखर गया. Warriors, rishis, students and students tried to catch the rat, but he was too cunning to be caught. This is school of warriors, and yet you are being eaten by rat. Strong the rishi. ऋषि गुस्सा आ गया एकदम. योद्धाओं का स्कूल है, क्यों नहीं पकड़ा जा रहा? You have tried everything, said his friend gloomily. It is not ordinary rat. It can't be. It is too clever. ये कोई आम चूहा नहीं, clever. In this case, said Parshuram thoughtfully, I think I shall ask Shivasan for some help. The rishi took Ganesh's name, and the little god appeared, laughter creasing his eyes. Greatest warrior of the world is being played by a rat. बहुत बड़े खुश, इतने बड़े warrior से एक चूहा. चूहे को पकड़ नहीं पा रहे थे परशुराम. A chuckle escaped his lips as the mighty rishi frowned, and he said, have got to admit it's funny. All right, now that you have had your little joke, will you please do something about his pest? Said the rishi, not all the amused. Putting back a teasing reply, Ganesh said, I will ride you for him. He is not going to bother you much longer. The irate rishi glowed. Ganesh sat by the rat hole, patiently waiting for the rat to come out. When at last the rat poked his head out, Ganesha's lasso stick through the air, and the nose fell over the rat's head. Ganesha yanked him out with one jerk of the rope and held him by his tail. उससे पकड़ ली. Forgive me, Lord, screeched the rat. Please don't kill. That's precisely what you deserve, said the little god coldly. Then he smiled. Instead, I shall make you my steed, he declared. The rat could not believe his luck. By the mount of a god, he cried and did a little fake. I will serve you faithfully, he promised. And so the rat became Ganesh's mount, यानी कि सवारी बन गया, and carried him everywhere. But the rat still had his ratty nature, and his high position went to his head. Ganesha was just a little god, and the rat soon began to think he was more powerful than the little god. बोले गणेश तो छोटे से god है, मैं तो उनसे ही powerful. One day the stupid creature decides to kidnap his little master. Ganesh looked at his mount and knew instantly what was in his mind. But Ganesh quickly mounted the rat. The rat, all ready to speed off with the little god, suddenly found the weight he was bearing was skewed. So breathe out. इतना वजन हो गया एकदम, उसने कहा मरे जा रहे. He found he could not move and began to buckle at the knee. Ooh, he groaned. How can you weigh so much? You are so little. Forgot the heaven and the earth lie within me. Ganesh said kindly, pressing down harder. Rat collapsed. His pride, arrogance, उसका घमंड चूर हो गया चूहे का. और Ganesh patted his head gently. You will feel much better now, he said. Not a good idea. You know to kidnap gods. Now get up. The crushing weight lifted magically, and the rat humbly lowered his head. Faithful and true for all time he swore. माउंट मतलब यहाँ पर थी सवारी. ओके. क्राउचिंग मतलब क्या? लैंडिंग क्लोज टू द ग्राउंड. अब यू में फाइंड मैनी स्टोरीज ऑफ गणेश. कई सारी कहानी है, यूज दिए हैं, तो आपको स्टोरी बनानी होगी. क्वेश्चन है डू डस से आस्क करते हैं, डिड से भी करते हैं. पास्ट में अगर जाएंगे तो डिड से, प्रेजेंट में जाएंगे. खुद से क्वेश्चन करना. यू लाइक साइकिलिंग, तो क्या आप करेंगे? तो डू यू लाइक साइकिलिंग तरह से. यहाँ पर फ्रेजेस दिए वेंट टू हिज हेड, सेड कोल्डली, तो सबका अलग अलग मीनिंग है. इन द ब्लैंक्स आई और डबल ई वाले आप भर सकते हैं, जैसे मिसचीफ, चीफ. यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे? वीक. यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? थीफ. यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे? ग्रीफ. यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे? बिलीफ. और स्टोरी में पढ़ना और इनकी डिफरेंट मीनिंग आपको. माउंट सवारी की डिफरेंट, क्राउचिंग की, बोर की, टोल्ड, यानी कि सुनाने में यहाँ पर आपको नोट करना है. स्टोरी से ही आपको पढ़. टोल्ड का सैड भी कर सकते हैं, एज का मॉन्क कर सकते हैं, एंट भी कर सकते हैं. फिर इज गॉड. गॉड इज इन द फ्लावर्स, गॉड इज इन द ट्रीज, गॉड इज इन द बटरफ्लाइज एंड द बर्ड्स एंड बीज. God is the sunshine, God in the storm, God is the snow and forest that makes you wrap up warm. God is in the good, God is in the bad, God is in what makes you happy and what makes you sad. God is everywhere you look and everywhere you go. God is your best friend always because God loves you so. नेम्स आपको मैच करने हैं. इंद्र, ये रहे इंद्र. लक्ष्मी, ये शिव, ये विष्णु. पहले से ही was cursed by, किसने? वामदेव. यहाँ पे टिक करेंगे. गणेश न्यू वर्ड was going in the आश्रम. हाँ, वे इन द माइंड ऑफ रैट के माइंड में. ठीक है, मैं माइंड. हमेशा बोर, क्या? यूज वेट है ना. हरी मीन्स क्या होता? रशिंग. फॉलोइंग द टेरिबल टेम्पर, रेजिंग विद एंगर. इन द ब्लैंक्स ऊपर की स्टोरी पढ़ के करना. Dad could not believe his luck. Why? ये स्टोरी, मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी पर से पढ़ के ही लिखना है, नोट करने वाली चीज़ है. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में. थैंक यू.